Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Apple Watch SE for running. First, make sure your watch has at least 50% battery life. Then wear it comfortably about 2 finger widths above your wrist bone. Open the workout app, choose Outdoor Run or Indoor Run, and set your desired goals like distance or time. This ensures accurate tracking and a smooth experience from the start. While running, your Apple Watch SE provides real-time data at a glance. You can easily see your current pace, the distance covered, and your heart rate. Swipe across the screen to access different workout views, or use the digital crown to scroll through more detailed metrics. The watch will also give you gentle haptic feedback for each mile you complete, keeping you informed without distraction. Once your run is complete, simply swipe right on your watch screen and tap End. Your Apple Watch SE will immediately display a summary of your performance, including total distance, average pace, and calories burned. For a deeper dive, open the Fitness app on your iPhone, where you can explore detailed statistics like mile splits, elevation changes, and heart rate zones. You can also easily share your achievements. To get the most out of your Apple Watch SE, remember to calibrate it regularly for the most accurate distance and pace readings. If you have a cellular model, you can enjoy music streaming and make emergency calls without your iPhone. Don't forget to explore various third-party running apps for advanced features and community challenges. Finally, always keep your watch's software updated to benefit from the newest enhancements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.